Hey friends, so it's 2025 and I figured let's start 2025 with productivity and efficiency. Therefore, let's bake some cookies in my room because why not? But as you know, the first step to baking it in your room, you need to make sure that your room is clean. So give me 5 minutes while I clean my room. I've prepared all my things. Yes, they're on the floor, but don't worry, I just cleaned the floor just now. So let's start with our melted butter. It has been cooled down for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna mix it with our brown sugar and mix. You see, I'm not a baker and I usually don't have a lot of patience for this kind of thing, but I'll try my best to not mess it up again this time around. The next is eggs. I've got 2 eggs and vanilla essence mixed inside already. Now you might be wondering, why is she baking cookies in her room? And the answer is, I just don't want anyone else to disturb me. Because if I were to do it outside or in the kitchen, the house is quite small, you see. So everyone just keep coming up to me and ask me like, what are you doing? Why are you making this? It's quite annoying. Plus, my cats want to watch. I'm sure the bakers are quite angry at me right now. Next is our flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Wait, what if I never record? Some of you watching might be wondering why am I covering my face with this makeup. It's very simple. I don't wear this in real life, inshallah, sometime soon. I want to film videos, you see. I really love filming videos, but I also value my privacy. Like, I want to go outside without people recognizing me. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. This is our chocolate buttons. For some here. I want to know of a crazy story. Well, not really crazy, but it's just sad on my end. I bought 2 dresses from this like other Malay company. I'm not going to expose their names here. They sell clothes and stuff like that on TikTok Live. So I bought mine there because I thought that, you know, they have like 1,000 reviews. Most of their reviews are like 4 to 5 stars. So I thought I can trust them. So I bought those dresses from them. In the live, the salesperson told me that it will reach by 19th December because, you know, it's a pre-order dress. I'm like, okay, sure. And 19th December came around. I did not get anything. I got a letter from them. They posted it through SingPost and I got it. And do you know what it said? You might experience some delay. You will get your items by the end of December. So, end of December, 24 December, I'm still waiting. No updates or anything. So I decided to message them. And I asked them, like, where are my dresses? And they were like, oh, we're so sorry. There has been some sort of delay. It should reach this coming week. And this coming week came and still not here. So I was frustrated and I gave them another text. Okay, I messaged them on TikTok and I asked, you promised, but it's not here. And then they were like, oh, I'm so sorry. We scheduled the SingPost to send it on Monday. You might receive it on Tuesday. And it's Wednesday now. And guess what? It's January now. So they promised at first 19th December. Then it went to end of December. Now it's the start of January of 2025. And nothing has been delivered to my house. So I thought, I will never trust Malay establishments again. I trusted them with my entire heart. It costed $90 in total. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait like 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's been inside for at least 30 minutes, I think. I'm gonna go and buy some food and then cook. Like probably samyang, because I really like samyang. yeah, just gonna go buy some food. Then maybe we'll do a cooking session, I guess. Bye. Oh, came here for this. Yeah, I wanted to get this, but it was quite expensive, so I'm getting this instead. It's not that expensive. This is the good stuff. So I just drained everything out. We are going to be putting our sauces inside. And yes, I'm putting in the whole thing. I saw this online where you take like mayonnaise, like one, and then you take sweet corn of mozzarella, and you mix this. I'm gonna put this corn inside the samyang and hopefully everything will melt.
You want food?
I think I should. Oh, would you look at that? Oopsie. Okay, let's eat. So, my little brother is going to try it for me since I'm too lazy to try it with a niqab on. How is it?
It's like how I always do my samyang. Tastes nice.
Tastes nice. Okay. You guys heard him. It's time for me to eat. Jom buat makan semua. Bismillah. I'm gonna put this scoop, ice cream scoop, under warm water. Scoop up. Place it here on the tray. On this tray. And then place some chocolate chips on that scoop. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just, yeah, it's okay. It's for my family, right? Doesn't matter. I don't know how to make it like not burn below, because I'm following the instructions, right, on the recipe to cook it at that certain temperature. Oh my god, ni belum masak. I should cook it a bit. But I think my oven is just like that, you know? Okay, it's finally time to eat. Okay, bismillah. I appreciate all of you watching my videos, even though I just post whatever I want. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.